a cross-cultural collaboration today. I am a traditional Kathak dancer, which is dance of North India, classical. But I like to explore and expand the vocabulary and see where Kathak can go and how it can connect, because ultimately we're all part of one universal language. And in fact, I have all three of us here today are from different places. So I have all the way, he's from Morocco, Egypt, United Kingdom, Sudan, Kareem El Aboudi on jazz piano. And from our very own country here, India, is Mayank Bedekar on tabla. And I am an Indian American from San Francisco, California. So we've all come together presenting a new collaboration here, and it's all about that cross-cultural relationships and how we can connect in positive ways with each other now more than ever. So with that, I will begin. In traditional Indian dance, we begin with a prayer. So I will do a short prayer, dance prayer that honors the universe, the divine, the elements that flow through us, water, fire, earth, space, and also connecting to the audience and the musicians through that way, and respecting the earth upon which we dance. So I will start with that. Namaskar. So in traditional Indian dance, Kathak is actually the one out of the 9 classical dance forms that have a lot of improvisation. It grew up with tabla, sitar in the Mughal court. So they all grew up together and improvising within the rhythm. I'm going to show a little bit of that traditional rhythmic improvisation. Now, typical time cycles are 4, 4, 8, 12, maybe 16, 10. But I like to explore and challenge myself, as my guru did. So I'm going to take an exploration within a time cycle of 5.5, 5.5 beat time cycle. So this is 5 beats with a half beat at the end and come back. So you have to keep track, and we all have to keep track. And they will jam with me, some improvisation, some compositions, like that. So 5.5, how does it go? It would go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Half. Tin. Na. Tere kitta thunna. Tin. Tin. Na. Tin. 2, 3, 4, 5. Half. 1. Improvisation. Tihai, important concept in Indian classical music and dance. Pattern repeats 3 times. So I will recite a pattern from each beat of the tal. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'll dance it. So it starts on 1, 5.5. So you're dividing 5.5 into 3 parts. Then starting from 2, so you're dividing 4.5 and such. So first one will be so starting from the second beat. And then from 3, you can do anything. So takadimi, takadimi, te, takadimi, takadimi, te, takadimi, takadimi, te. A little faster. So if I dance it. Composition. This is only in Kathak, where the dancer recites and talks. We're also an orator. I'll recite a composition, and in that language, I'll do it with my body, same composition. Na, that's a D high. One more. Similar beginning part. Switch up the ending part. Little bit jazz vibe. Different. Spin. Mayank improvise a little? Mayank, we'll do a little improvised exchange in 5/2. I don't think that's ever really been done. And then conclude. It's a unique creation we attempted together. Now, after seeing some of the Kathak heavier material, we'll go to another heavy material, which is jazz. So we'll do a jazz piece now. This is new, out of my comfort zone. And this is a piece called 19. It's actually a composition of Rob Arwajo, sorry. And so Kareem will play on that, and he suggested this. I listened to it. I liked it. It's a very complex. My guess was it's called 19 because when I counted, the initial melodic phrase is 19 notes, and then it expands on that 19 notes, adding more notes. This is my guess, though. Okay. very unique composition, 19. Takes a long time to analyze what's happening inside. Now, I will do some Kathak yoga. So this is an innovation of my Guruji's, Pandit Chitresh Das. And he was in San Francisco on his own a lot. So he had developed singing by himself. He didn't have all those musicians that Indian musicians that India has. So he would sing, he would play the tabla, he would do the footwork, all at the same time. He became his own accompanist. And this eventually developed, and he taught his disciples. And we attempt to do the same. So I will show a little bit of the basic footwork of Kathak. Through that, what it is typically we have a timekeeper that's external to us. But we become the timekeeper. In Kathak yoga, I will recite the 16 cycles, but while reciting it and being the clock on one layer, a second layer will be going on of doing different mathematically precise footwork patterns that are varying and keeping that exactly in time. So this requires a lot of focus and concentration, and that's why he called it a yoga. So I will demonstrate this by doing the basic footwork of Kathak, which is 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I will increase the number of sets. I will do 1 set of tatkar in 1 cycle, counting the 16. Then I'll double it and do 2 sets of tatkar in the 16. So you're doing 1 step per beat. Then I'll go 3 sets. So now it's going off. 4 sets, 6, all the way up to 24 sets of 8 in 16. Can anyone guess how many steps that is? 24 eights? 192 steps for the final cycle. So we'll start 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 2 sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, off, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 3 sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 6, 4 sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, off, beat, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 6 sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 8 sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, off, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 6, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, And he also taught us to challenge ourselves a bit with adding yet another layer. So we have the time going on, the patterns with the feet. I will attempt to add singing at the same time. And I will sing the rhythmic cycle or the clock going on. On top of that, he asked us to try playing an instrument. So I do play the harmonium and do, but today I'll show with this finger cymbal. And this will be a fifth layer, keeping the time in triplets. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'll sing it in a rag called Desh. So I'm trying this one as a new one, because I got tired of the old one. So. Now, I'll bring in a little bit of back the groove, and we'll do a couple of compositions and a little improv, and then that will happen. 4. Tun, get it a tun, tun, na, te, ta, din, get it ha, din, da, cut it, da, din, da, cut, te, da, din, da, cut it, da, din, da, cut it, da, tun, 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 da. Using numbers, counting 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on and off. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1. Countdown. You have a composition? A double of this well-known composition. Ta din. Derigda. Derigda. Katagidin.
Katakigidin.
Nagadat.
Nagadet.
Katadintarang.
Katagintarang.
Tatuna.
Dhatuna.
Katete.
Katita.
Adhatita.
Adhatitha.
Adhatita.
Adhatitha.
Adhatita.
Adhatitha.
One more. This is using language of Kathak bowls. Short improv. last pieces will be jazz pieces by the legendary Chick Corea, who was known to be one of the founders of jazz fusion. We're all building on all the legends, Sakirji, everyone before us. And this time I'll do a little story. Actually, Kathak comes from the word katha, meaning to tell stories. And thousands of years ago, before the sophistication of rhythm and technique, it was storytelling. With the spring season upon us, I will just show a woman enjoying the beauty of nature, like here in Goa, as I'm doing before I return to US. And of course, with spring, romance is associated. So she'll have a romantic vibe, maybe imagining her lover will come to meet her, and maybe he does. We'll see. This will be improvised to the beautiful music of Kareem and Mayank. of completely improvising. This is the beauty of Kathak and making connections across cultures. We'll end with a quick last piece of Spain. It's called by Chick Corea. Just a little bit of song and some interactions between the three of us and how melody and rhythm and dance unite. you all for staying the night. A long night it was. It was such an honor to perform for a beautiful festival like this that honors international cross-cultural relationships. And we thank you for being witness of our new collaboration. And thank you to Embassy of Georgia for putting this, all the sponsors, Foment and Prudent, I think, Prudent Network. And of course, Ministry of Culture Georgia, ICCR, and Show House Events for curating this and inviting us to perform. Omer Haider, thank you so much. We hope this festival continues. I will love to come back to India. I'm on my way out, and but these two lovely people live here, so catch them at the next show. Namaskar. Namaskar.
Thank you, Labonee, Mayank, and Kareem for such a lovely performance. I would like you to stay back on the stage. I would like you to stay back on the stage for photos, and I would also invite the Georgian ensemble on the stage, please. Thank you all for being a wonderful audience. With this, we come to an end for day 1 of Ketevan Festival. I would request His Excellency, Mr. Wachtong, Ambassador of Georgia to India, to join us on stage, along with Mr. Akash Timlo, the Honorary Consul of Georgia and Goa, to felicitate the artists of this evening. We have a new lined up for you for tomorrow. We hope you join us at the same time, same place, different artist. His Excellency, Mr. Wachtong, Ambassador of Georgia to India. Can we have a huge round of applause for His Excellency and the ensemble from Georgia, and Labonee, Kareem, and Mayank for giving us a wonderful performance. A big thank you to all our presenters, Embassy of Georgia and India, Fomento Resources, and Prudent Network, in association with the Ministry of Culture of Georgia and the Indian Council for Cultural Relations, and our curator, Show House, without whom this experience at such a historical site wouldn't have been possible.